5 of the ways that I am making money as a stay-at-home mom. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 5 of the ways that I am making money as a stay-at-home mom, and make sure you stay till the end because the 5th one might be something you have not heard of before. So let's go through these. Number 1 is digital products. So actually the first 2 are digital products because there's 2 different ways in which you can do this. So the first way is you can create digital products of your own. So take the knowledge and expertise that you have and create a digital product, whether that is a course, whether that is a PDF or templates of some sort. All of them work very well. And you might be saying, well, I don't know what I could do or what knowledge I have that someone might find helpful. The best way to get started in this is to think about 1 to 3 things that your friends and family come to you for. Like, what is the problems that you always help your friends and family solve? Then you can use ChatGPT to help you flesh out your idea. So you can talk to ChatGPT and say, I want to create a digital product. These are the things that my friends and family come to me for. Ask me questions so that I can help identify which of the 3, if you have 3 ideas, might be the winning idea. And just have a conversation back and forth. Once you decide on your winning idea, then you can work with AI to figure out the best format to deliver that in. And then you can do basically a brain dump of all of your knowledge talking to ChatGPT. So you don't have to type it all out. I like to use the microphone feature and actually have a conversation with it because that way it's more like natural as you go through it. And have a conversation with it and basically brain dump everything you know about this subject, and then have AI help you structure that. So it can help you if you're creating a course. It can help you structure all of your knowledge into scripts so that you can easily record them. Or it can help you create that PDF or template based on the knowledge that you know and you provide. It can help you save hours and hours and hours of work and make this something that you can actually launch and get started. It works great for us busy mamas that don't have a lot of time, to create this and take days and weeks to get something created. Use the tools at your hand to help you do this. And if you're still like, I don't know what I would do, I don't feel like I have enough knowledge or expertise, or I just don't want to create a product of my own, the second thing you can do is is market digital products that someone else created. So I have done this. There are courses and things that I have taken, I have learned a lot from and really enjoyed and believe in, and know that they have not only helped me, but can help other people as well. And so I market those products. So that's a way to use done for you products so that you don't have to create something of your own and you can still make money off of that. The third way that I am making money as a stay-at-home mom is through affiliate products. So this is more of like an add-on to the things that I do, but think about anything that you have around your house. Almost anything you can be an affiliate for in today's world. So you can either partner with a direct sales company that you love and believe in, or you can, simply do something like Amazon Associates. And just everything that you buy on Amazon, I don't know if you're anything like me, but I get almost everything except for groceries from Amazon. And so it's just fast, right? And so you can become an affiliate for it and then share the products that you love. Talk about how they've helped you and why you bought them, and share the link out there for other people because people are always looking for new great products. So that's another way that you can make an income as a stay-at-home mom. And number 4 is utilizing TikTok Shop. So this is similar to affiliate products, but it's specific for TikTok. It's a little less beginner friendly, I would say, only because you have to have a certain number of followers on TikTok before you can start doing content like that. Whereas the other ones you can get up and running pretty quick. But you can utilize TikTok Shop. Again, you don't have to buy these products. Like, a lot of everything you have in your house is on TikTok Shop. So just find the things that you already have and already own, and those are the products that you can promote, because you want to promote things that you love and that you believe in. And the fifth way is one of my new favorite ways, which is called UGC, or user generated content. So basically, what this is different brands will pay creators to create content for them. So you're getting a fee for content that you are creating and delivering to this brand. Sometimes they want you to post on your own social media, but a lot of times they don't. They just want you to create the content about their product. This could be a photo or it could be short videos. Either one is out there, and there are platforms out there that you can find jobs like this on, and you can apply for these jobs. And once you secure this job, you know, as long as you deliver the content to them, you're going to get paid for that content. So these are just 5 of the ways that I am creating income as a busy stay-at-home mom. I do all of this around nap time. So if you're a busy stay-at-home mom and you want to learn more about these different ways, I have a free community. I'll link that below in the description if you want to check it out. I'm always in there with behind the scenes talking about the different things that I do, and sharing the journey with everyone in there and encouraging everyone to do the same. So building out this community for other mamas who are looking to make income around nap time.